reservation for two.
Pangalan na lang po.
Mike and Eagle.
Mike and Libre. Okay po, sir.
Good morning, sir. Table for two.
Good morning, ma'am, sir.
Reservation for two.
Pangalan na lang po.
Please connect me.
Pasok. Good morning, ma'am, sir. So, take a look po. Okay, please give us 2 Americano coffee and 2 cranberry orange muffins.
Okay, sir. 2 Americano and 2 strawberry orange coffee. Thank you for your order, and I will make sure that my recommended will be liked. Enjoy.
Alright, thank you.
Here's your order, sir. Cranberry orange muffin. And coffee Americano. Enjoy your meal, sir. Excuse me, I hope you're enjoying your meal. Everything to your satisfaction?
Yeah, it was very good. I was very appreciated your recommendation.
You're very welcome. Enjoy them.
Morning, sir. Table for one po. Morning, sir. Table for two po. Yes, sir.
Waiter, come here, please.
Yes, sir.
Can I order peach juice? Cranberry orange muffin?
Yun po ba, sir?
Yes, thank you.
Is your order, sir? Is your order, sir?
Thank you.
complaint?
Okay, sir.
I've been waiting for a long time for my order, and yet wala pa rin.
Oh, sir, sorry to hear that, sir. Let me check your order right away.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Oh, Namin.
Hello, sir. I apologize for the inconvenience. Is there anything else I can assist you while we solve the problem?
No, thank you. Thank you for the service also, but I'm waiting for a long time.
Okay, sir.
Is your cranberry, sir? And your peach juice.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Enjoy your meal.
Hi sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Lindsay, the manager in charge. I just heard what happened and I heard that there was an issue with your order. I'm sorry and I apologize for what happened and for the inconvenience. Is there anything I can do to make it right?
No, thank you na.
I'm glad to hear that. If you need anything or if you have any concern, just tell me.
Yes, thank you.
Thank